Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a special episode for all you camping enthusiasts out there. We're going to talk about the absolute must-haves for your next camping trip. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these essentials will ensure you have an amazing outdoor experience. So, let's dive right in. 1. Shelter and sleeping essentials. First up, we have shelter and sleeping essentials. A reliable tent is the cornerstone of any camping trip. Look for one that's easy to set up and has good weather resistance. Don't forget stakes and a mallet for securing it properly. Next, a cozy sleeping bag and a comfortable sleeping pad are crucial for a good night's rest. Pay attention to the temperature rating on the sleeping bag to ensure it suits the conditions you'll be facing. 2. Cooking gear. Now let's talk about cooking gear. A reliable camping stove and a set of cookware are essential. Look for a stove that's portable and easy to use. Don't forget a compact, lightweight set of pots and pans for easy cooking. Utensils, a cooler for perishables, and a water filter are also vital. Keeping yourself well fed and hydrated is key to an enjoyable camping experience. 3. Lighting and navigation. When the sun goes down, you'll need reliable lighting. Lanterns and flashlights are a must. Consider getting a headlamp for hands-free illumination. For navigation, always carry a map and a compass, even if you have a GPS. It's a fail-safe in case your electronic devices run out of battery. 4. Personal and safety items. Last but not least, personal and safety items. A well-stocked first aid kit, insect repellent, and sunscreen are non-negotiables. Safety should always be a top priority. Additionally, a multi-tool and a whistle can be real lifesavers in emergency situations. And there you have it. These are the camping must-haves you should never leave home without. Remember, being prepared is the key to a successful camping trip. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe for more awesome traveling tips and adventures. Until next time, happy camping! Thank you for watching.